What is going on, everyone? In this video, I'm gonna do something different because I will be doing a payout live while recording this video. So the platform that I have been using lately is called Hola Prime. I've made a few videos about them, and in this video, we're gonna test if their claims are correct, if they are gonna pay in under 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. We'll see about it, and how fast they process everything. I have taken payouts before on Hola Prime. It's not my first payout, and usually the payout speed is between 5 and 10 minutes. So that it means approved and also sent, right? They use Rise and Direct Crypto. I've personally been using Direct Crypto, so the payouts hit my crypto wallet pretty fast. I also did an interview with them. I think it's gonna get posted soon, where we did another live payout. So why I like this platform so much is because they have both CFD and futures and also crypto. So I'm gonna go over the plans and whatever I'm trading just to show you guys. But first of all, let's do the payouts, right? So we have two accounts here. These are CFD accounts, 100Ks, two-step prime funded. We can see on one account I have $3,026. On one account I have $3,313 with an 80% profit share. So you can see the available payout amount and the due date, which is today. So let's just go ahead and click request. Once you hit payout request, you're going to get to this dashboard. So basically you can have crypto, Rise. I'm just going to do crypto, right? So I'll complete everything. There we go. We have the amount, $3,026. Network, which is, I'm going to use Tron, USDT, and my wallet address. So let's just click submit, and you get redirected to payout history, where you can see my previous two payouts, which were again 3,000. You can see they were requested on 6th of May, 11:12 a.m. and they were processed 7 minutes later, and the second one again 7 minutes later. So let's see how fast this gets processed. So now I'm requesting the second payout, 3,313. This is before split, so I'm going to receive 80% of that. I think the fees for crypto transfers are a few dollars, so nothing crazy. Some props actually charge nowadays like 1-2% of the payout amount, which is crazy, but not Hola Prime. They just send you everything. We can see it's pending. I got the email that the payout is processing. So now let's all go over the plans and what I'm trading once again while we wait for this payout to get processed. Hopefully it's going to get processed while I am recording this video. Now, first of all, I want to give a huge congratulations to them because they got their payout system reviewed by Deloitte, I think it's called, which is a third-party audit company, right? So our payout system has been reviewed to validate its reliability and transparency. This is the first prop firm in the world who did this, right? You can see independently reviewed payout performance from October 2025 all the way to March 2026. 98.35% of payouts were processed within 1 hour, which is crazy, with zero payout denials, right? So this is actually like legit. Like this is the most legit platform you can have now. And I have a very good relationship with them. That's why I'm making videos about them. I really enjoy trading with them. And I also recommend the platform to everyone that follows me, my students. We all had a pretty good experience. So let's just go over everything, right? You can read everything you want here. They have the payout transparency report, which shows real-time payouts and how fast they are getting processed. So let's look at May so far, right? First week of May, you got 59% of payouts processed within 10 minutes, 35% within 20 minutes, 6% within 30 minutes. Week 2, same charts, you got only 3% processed in under an hour, and week 3, same, a little bit more delayed. But again, you can see no payouts have been processed over 50 or 60 minutes, which is absolutely insane. This is like one of the best things you can have with the platform, because first of all, right, you wanna withdraw your payout. You want to know that you're getting that payout in order to scale, use that payout. And second of all, you want to get back to trading, right? So now that I submitted a payout, I'll probably get paid out within 30 minutes, maybe let's say an hour max. And then the account is ready to trade again. So I can start trading again. I can start taking my setups because right now I see a good setup. I want to take it. But with other platforms, you're going to request a payout. You're going to wait for a day or two for it to get reviewed, then approved. Then you can trade the account again, but you're going to wait for, another day or so to get a payout to your actual bank account. Hola Prime just immediately solves all that problems. They had a major update on their future side. I know they're not really good at advertising it. If you guys been watching me, I started trading futures as well. So with CFD, with Hola Prime, actually you can trade up to 500K. Like that's crazy, right? I have 5 100k accounts right now funded. So I have 5 100k accounts that I trade. And as you can see, I'm aiming between 1 to 3% payout per account. So I have another account, which is actually almost 4% in profit with the payout due next week. And I have these 2 other ones, and I'm waiting for 2 more that just got passed. So that's another thing that I like, right? You pass phase 1, you do the 3 days, within 1 to 2 hours, same day, you get phase 2 credentials, same thing. You pass phase 2, same day, right? 1 to 2 hours later, you get your, not 1 to 2 hours, but you get your contract immediately, you sign the contract, and then within 1 to 2 hours, you get the funded account and you can start trading. So they are removing a lot of losing time when it comes to this fast process with their programs, right? I see they removed crypto. I don't think it was that popular. I think that's a good decision, right? I haven't tried it, but I think Forex and futures is enough. So for futures, what I recommend and what I trade is the 2-step prime account, 100Ks, right? You can trade up to 5 accounts. You have all the platforms you want, MT4, MT5, TradeLocker, DXTrade, CTrader, MatchTrader. I trade MT5, and you can choose bi-weekly, monthly, or on-demand payout. I go for bi-weekly, and check the price out, guys. $247 for a 100K account. Like, this is almost half of what other platforms in the industry offer with so much better conditions. Like, everything is just amazing, right? They have a discount running, obviously the Profest 45. I'm not sure when it's gonna run out. I think there's only a few days left. So maybe I think it ends this week. Just go for it. If not, you can use code NFX for 30% off, but do not miss out on this. Like, this is a crazy discount. They just increased, by the way, another great update for traders. It used to have a 8% overall loss, I think. Yeah, you still have it on the 200K, right? So this was on all the accounts. You had the 4% daily loss, 8% overall loss. And now, by the way, I just got an email that the payout was approved, I think. So yeah, it was just approved. So I'm gonna go back to it. I think it was a few minutes while recording this video. Now on the 100K, you have 5% daily loss, 10% overall loss, which is again industry standard, pretty amazing. 8% profit target, 5% profit target, no consistency score, no minimum profitable trading days. Only on the funded account, you have profitable days for a payout. You have 3 of them, but it's only 0.3% of initial balance. So it's not 0.5, 0.3. On a 100K account, that's $300, easily obtainable. They do have a max risk per trade on a funded account, which is 2%. But again, that is with most platforms nowadays. So this is what I'm using. And so far with these 2 payouts, I think I'm almost 10K in payouts, which is pretty nice. And I'm going to continue trading with them. And also on the future side, right, they just added Tradeovate. Again, they didn't advertise. I didn't even know, right? I have a relationship with them. I am affiliated with them. I didn't even know this. Just check it out randomly, I think 2 days ago. And I was like, well, this looks pretty good, right? So I bought 5 accounts. I passed them and I'm actually halfway through my payouts. So that's all within 1 week. They got the 1-step 50K accounts. That's what I'm using. Tradeovate, they added it. You have a weekly payout of 90%. Profit target is 6%, which is 3K. Drawdown trailing end of day, same as any other big platforms, Tradify, Lucid, right? Same, which is 4%, which is $2,000. So you have $2,000 to make $3,000 with a 40% consistency. Again, same rules as every other big platform. Same rules as Tradify, as I said, Lucid, FundingX Futures, right? Same rules. But the accounts are a bit cheaper with the discount right now, 35% off. They're only $103. I got an email that my second payout was approved. So that's pretty amazing. And as I said, you have the weekly 90%. On funded accounts, you have 35% consistency score. You need to get above the buffer, right? Which is $2,000. And anything above that, you can request 50% of your profit. Again, same as all the other platforms, but you can do it weekly with a 90% profit split. So they're pretty aggressive when it comes to being competitive, which I like, right? I think, this is a great addition to my platform roster, let's call it that. As I said, I'm working on my payout. Maybe next video I'll do a payout request on these accounts as well. So these 2 are the ones that I have. So I have 500K with CFD that I'm actively trading. And then I also have 5 50K accounts that I'm actively trading. And all of these, I get payouts like 80% profit split CFD, 90% profit split futures payouts. I just got the payout to my crypto wallet, both of them. So I got $2,689 and $2,459. They are being deposited. So it was all within 10 minutes, right? So you can see they've already been credited, requested at 7:31 and they got paid out 7 minutes later. First payout, second payout 8 minutes later. Just tell me how insane that is. You get payouts within 10 minutes. And now I can start trading it again, right? I'm gonna look at the charts, see if I get a setup and trade them. You can see the email from my crypto wallet as well, right? The deposit amount, which was credited, first one, and this is the second one, $2,689.51. So paid out, again, not just approved, but paid out. And guys, just it's the best platform this year, right? You need to trade with it. Also the support is amazing. It's so fast. Every issues I have, I just click the text icon here. I start a chat. I immediately get someone assigned. They help like instantly. It's amazing. You can talk with them on WhatsApp. You can even call them. They got audited. Like guys, I don't know what they're doing, how they're doing it, but I think they're going to be the number one platform pretty fast, maybe within 6 months. With these conditions, with these payouts, there's no reason not to trade with them. I'm not doing this video just to advertise them, like really push them. I'm trading with them, right? I just showed you a live payout request, which was approved within 7 minutes and 8 minutes. I'm gonna do another video on when I get my futures payout, which should be next week, hopefully, if I get some more good trades. And let's see how they handle the futures payouts as well. So far, the account creation is instant. Everything is instant. You get trade of it, which is amazing. So no complaints there. And yeah, guys, if you want to check Hola Prime out, use the link in the description. You have the discounts running right now. Profest 35, Profest 45. You can follow me on Instagram, Telegram. I post there whenever they're running a big discount. If not, you can just use code NFX. So yeah, guys, Hola Prime, best platform in 2026. Let me know your opinion down in the comments section. And in my opinion, it is becoming the best platform. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.